Hi, good afternoon. It is Monday. It is beautiful and sunny, and the puppies are playing a little bit. George is playing a little bit. We've got Duke, I could see. Red, I can see. That is Dakota. That is Lavender. We have Ireland. I don't know who is next to Ireland. They're all getting so big. So that's Tahoe, Red. We have Tom in Ireland. I guess my feet are dirty. We have Bo. Oh my gosh, Bo should be easy for me to tell. And Sadie's getting Lavender's getting easy to tell. Let's see, I was trying to stand back so you could see them playing, but they all kind of came to my feet. I think they expect me to have food and treats. But oopsie daisy. That step's easier for some than others. And we'll tell you, Ireland is on the smaller side, but oh my gosh, she's got a big dog personality. George, are you like circling around the grills, getting away from your puppies? Yeah? You guys gonna play? Duke and Dakota, who is now Sadie. And we have we got someone biting on me. Who's biting on me? Who is this biting on me? You're very pretty, Tahoe. And you need a little bath, Ireland. Yeah. Oh, who wants my shadow? Nobody. Because they are tall enough to latch on if George is standing. And I have to say, this makes me feel very much wanted. You guys, now you're just gonna bite me. Okay, Georgia, you gonna show them how it's done? Georgia sometimes escapes in the bushes. So the puppies are 5 weeks. They go next week for their doctor checkup. So Tom's getting all eaten up. Tom's still available, the puppy right here. He is a long coat. He is very sweet. I believe that is Red. I'm not sure who you are so far away, but darn, you're cute. Oh, it's Bo, I can tell by the back. Okay. Not a lot of actual playing going on, but hopefully for those of you who have reserved a puppy, you've been able to see your puppy. And yeah, it's a beautiful day. I hope you guys are all enjoying your day wherever you are. Georgia, you want to say bye-bye? Nope, she's going to eat the food that fell into the grass. Take care.